Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about the topic differentiation. Okay, today we are discussing about the topic differentiation. Already we have some idea on differentiation. Okay, in this class we just discuss basic concept of differentiation. Basic concept of differentiation. Okay, let y equal to f of x is a function where x is independent variable and y is dependent variable, then the differentiation of f of x with respect to differentiation of y with respect to x is denoted by dy by dx or f dash of x or y dash or f1 of x, etc., defined by dy by dx equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x total value by h. Okay, so this is the general definition of differentiation of y with respect to x. Okay, it is also called first principle. It is also called, what is that? First principle. Okay, so it is, we can define it as the derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, so d means it is denoted by derivative of y with respect to x. So this is our definition, standard formula. It is also called first principle. Okay, it is also called, what is that? First principle. Okay, right. So we can say that like this also. Let y equal to f of x be a function. Let delta x is the change in x and delta y is the change in y, then dy by dx we can say that delta y by delta x, limit delta x tends to, what is that? 0. Okay, we can define like this also. Okay, so here delta y by the small change in y by small change in x, but here we have to take that limit value of delta x, the change in delta x. Okay, limit value tends to 0. This is also we called dy by dx. We can take our standard formula also. Understand? So like that we can define this one. We can define like this one also, right? the differentiation of f of x at a point A is denoted by f dash of A defined as f dash of A equal to f of A plus h minus f of A by h, limit h tends to 0. Okay, we can define like this: at one point the differentiation of y or f of x, it is denoted by f dash of A at that point, is we can calculate like this also. Okay, if you are fixed one point, at that point the differentiation value we can consider like this also. Okay, so these are the main concepts in differentiation. These are the main concepts in differentiation. Okay, so like that, according to the first principle, we can derive some formulas also, standard formulas. Now we just define some standard formula. Y equal to, that means f of x, here I am taking that x, I am taking that y equal to x. Otherwise you can take that y equal to f of x equal to x. This is the function. Okay, so f of x equal to x. Now I have to find the dy by dx. So f of x equal to x, f of x plus h equal to same x plus h. That means here I am considering the identity function. Here I am considering the f of x equal to x, f of x plus h equal to x plus h. Okay, so dy by dx according to the first principle, what is that? Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So here what we are getting, that limit h tends to 0, x plus h minus x by h, x get cancelled. Here limit h tends to 0, h by h I am getting 1. Okay, so this value equal to 1 time. Limit does not applicable for the constant, so 1. So d by dx of y, dy by dx means d by dx of y. What is the y? X function equal to, what is that answer? 1. The differentiation of x with respect to x equal to, what is the formula? 1. Here I am deriving this value by using first principle. Okay, like that you can take that x square. So up to this, okay, we completed that. For example, if I take x square, here also x square, x plus h whole square. Okay, here I am just modifying the values. You just observed here, then you will get the good idea on this. X plus h whole square minus x square by h. So limit h tends to 0, x square plus h square plus 2xh minus x square by h. This one get cancelled. So limit h tends to 0. In these two terms, suppose if I am taking h is the common, h plus 2x by h. Now you apply h value equal to 0, then you are getting that 0 plus 2x. Okay, so what is our answer? 2x. So d by dx of y, y means I am taking the function x square equal to, what is that? 2x. Okay, like that I derived one formula. D by dx of x is 1, d by dx of x square equal to 2x. Like that, suppose if you are getting that, okay, our generalized formula. Now I think you are not having the doubt here. Simple procedure, already we completed this. Okay, right. Now suppose d by dx of x power n, the generalized formula. Now I am taking that. Suppose if you take this like this, x plus h whole power n, that means if you derive that from the binomial theorem and you just Okay, subtract the x power n, take the h common, okay, and cancel that. If you put h equal to 0, finally you are getting that like this. If you do the procedure, the answer is, okay, so that means d by dx of x power n, important formula, n into x to the power of n minus 1, very important formula in algebraic functions. Okay, very important formula, we can derive more formulas. So our applications are d by dx of x, okay, so 1, d by dx of x square, 2x, in the place of n if you put 2, like this, d by dx of root x means x power 1 by 2, like that. So 1 by 2 root x, d by dx of 1 by x, some important applications, minus 1 by x square, 1 by x means x power minus 1. These all are applications of this important formula. Okay, we can derive here for all n belongs to, what is that, you can take r, real numbers. Okay, so like that, d by dx of constant value x power 0 or constant value, you will get that 0. Okay, d by dx of kx equal to k. Okay, so these all are applications of this formula. So this is the important formula in which, so important formula is in algebraic formulas. Okay, this one is major, and these all are applications of this formula. Okay, right.